All right, picture this. You flip a switch and instantly your room lights up. But have you ever stopped to wonder, how does electricity actually flow? I mean, what's really happening behind the scenes when you charge your phone or make toast in the morning? Let's break down the basics of electricity, and I promise it's not as complicated as it sounds. First up, what actually is electricity? Simply put, electricity is the flow of tiny particles called electrons. Think of electrons as energetic little runners sprinting along a racetrack made of copper wire. But they don't run for free, they need a push. That push comes from voltage, which you can imagine as the pressure that gets those runners moving. Now let's talk about the path they travel, an electric circuit. For electricity to flow, you need a closed loop, a perfect circle for our runners to follow. If there's a break anywhere in that loop, the flow stops, just like a relay race with a missing runner. Here's a cool part. Electrons actually move surprisingly slowly through the wire. It's the electric field created by the voltage that zooms through at nearly the speed of light, telling all the electrons, let's go. So when you turn on a light, the effect is almost instant, even though the actual electrons are more like tortoises than hares. But wait, what about resistance? Every wire or device has some resistance, which is like friction on our racetrack. The higher the resistance, the tougher it is for electrons to get through. That's why wires get warm when a lot of current flows. They're working hard to push those electrons along. And speaking of current, that's the actual number of electrons passing a point every second. High current, lots of electrons, low current, just a trickle. So next time you plug in your laptop, remember, you're setting off a miniature marathon of electrons, all powered by a voltage push, racing through a circuit and overcoming resistance along the way. Understanding these basics is the key to unlocking the mysteries of everything from lightning bolts to your morning cuppa. Alright, if you enjoyed this electrifying journey, see what I did there? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more science mysteries unraveled. Thanks for watching, and keep those questions coming.